Sabi nila, this girl daw is always irritated. Lagi siyang irritable. Tapos, sobra. Lagi siyang moody. Pero, matalino siya.
Si Bes!
Sino lagi irritable?
Raymond.
Pero matalino sino? Carol. Sino? What do you think?
Si Joy. Performance pa rin yan.
Hindi, sabi ko, hindi ko alam. Pero,
Si Rosa.
sino lang hindi?
Rocky!
Aside from, wow! Funny version.
Word of mouth.
Let's proceed with admin count.
Admin Council is headed by Bess and Barry. Very talkative.